Hi everybody, I want to make a simnel cake, and when I look in that cupboard I've got every type of sugar apart from caster sugar. I've run out. All I've got here is granulated, and I need caster sugar because it's finer and it dissolves quicker and creams better than granulated, which is far too coarse. But I am not going to be stuck, because today I'm going to show you how we can make our own caster sugar, super fine caster sugar, out of granulated. Here we go. Use a stick blender with an attachment like this, or use your food processor with the blade attached. Pop that granulated sugar in and let it blitz for a few minutes, and what you'll find is that coarse granulated sugar has been ground down to a powder, and if you keep your machine going for even longer it'll turn to icing sugar. Great little standby when you've run out.